Hi folks. The other day, my good friend in Japan, Shun, he heard a minor or small explosion. He heard something explode. Yeah, that was it, kids. So when Shun went to investigate to see what was the cause of this explosion, he discovered it was a soccer ball. That's right, kids. We now have exploding soccer balls. And I know you guys know where I'm going with this, to which I have to say, really? But before I get there, a little background. The soccer ball was being pumped up with a handheld air pump by a 6-year-old child. That's right. A 6-year-old child with a handheld air pump managed to get that soccer ball to explode. Now, that soccer ball exploded only naturally because it was made in Commie-land, China. That's it, kids. Exploding soccer balls from the Middle Kingdom. So, you know, folks, but that's not unusual. We should not be shocked by defective products coming out of the Middle Kingdom. Remember now, this is the same country led by commies that's exported poison dog food, poison medicine, poison laced in costume jewelry, what else? Poison drywalls, poison drywalls to where the poison was seeping out and people had to abandon their homes. Poison milk for their own consumption domestically. So we're surprised that they now export exploding soccer balls. What are you, nuts? But you know something? When I heard about that exploding soccer ball, it brought to mind a video I posted, I think it was 3 or 4 years ago on the internet, about exploding cell phone batteries made in Commie-land, China. And here in part is that video. They are pirating, copying cell phones made in South Korea and in Japan. And they are selling them on the open market. But within this article, what it says, which is very interesting, is that some of the batteries that they use explode. So, if the poison food doesn't get you, if the poison medicines don't get you, if your poison walls don't get you, they're gonna blow you up. See? It's only natural they would love explosions because was not gunpowder originated in the Middle Kingdom? So it's only a natural progression here. What are you talking about, huh? A consumer advisory. If you're going to purchase any item for your child, please make sure it does not come from Commie-land for your own child's safety. All right, folks. We'll see you. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless the nation you happen to be in. See ya.